In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Tatlis in Basketball Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Tatlis is a currently limited style made by Tatlis, the co-creator of Basketball Zero. It was made for the summer event. It was obtainable through a style spin with a 0.25% chance and a 1% chance in lucky odds. However, you will notice at this current moment that I'm recording this video, at the end of November of 2025, it is not available because it was limited for the summer event. If it comes back in the future, then you can acquire it primarily through the spins with those chances that I mentioned. It is a playstyle that emphasizes offense with exceptional dribbling, stunning, and speed. It has an outstanding mix of offensive and defensive capabilities with no clear weaknesses. Something else to note is that it used to be considered one of, if not the best style in Basketball Zero. It received a major nerf, however, it is still one of the top styles in the game. The base moveset is going to include a move called Snap, Colored Strike, and a second base move off ball variant for the same ability. So the first ability drops an area of effect zone in the court, often described as a paint puddle or a similar visual effect. The primary function is to stun the enemy who walk over that paint zone that you dropped, so place it in the path of an opponent who is dribbling or moving to the basket. The stun effect is crucial because it often guarantees you a steal immediately after the opponent is immobilized. This is your setup for quick turnovers and zone denial. The primary steal move is going to be long dash steal, a second highly reliable stealing ability. So you can punish dribblers. You can use it against players who are attempting flash dribble moves or holding the ball for too long. The dash closes the distance instantly. And the move is specifically known for being effective at completely shutting down high mobility styles like Rolo, allowing Tatlis to be a great counter pick. You have the offensive role point shooting, so while you excel in defense or steals, it also possesses strong point shooting abilities, usually 3-pointers, where after successfully forcing a turnover with your stun or dash, you can immediately look for an open 3-pointer shot and use your tactics and dribbling to create space. Your ultimate ability, aka Awakening, is IM Speed. It dramatically boosts the style of effectiveness, likely focusing on increasing movement speed, steal rate, and reducing cooldowns. So your main focus is going to be to disrupt opponents using your paint ability or your stun ability and then dribbling into a score. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.